Hello, everyone. Welcome to Yajentio Training Academy. Are you looking to build a career in data analytics and business intelligence? Our Power BI training course is designed especially for freshers and beginners who want to master data visualization and reporting. What you'll learn in this course: Microsoft Power BI Fundamentals, data cleaning and transformation using Power Query, data modeling and calculations with DAX, interactive dashboard and report design, real-world business intelligence use cases, publishing and sharing reports using Power BI Service, Microsoft Power BI Fundamentals. You'll start from the basics of Power BI, understanding the Power BI ecosystem, interface, data flow, and how Power BI is used in real businesses for decision-making. This builds a strong foundation even if you have no prior BI experience. Data cleaning and transformation using Power Query. Learn how to import data from Excel, CSV, databases, and online sources. Using Power Query, you'll clean messy data by removing duplicates, fixing errors, changing data types, merging tables, and preparing data for analysis without writing complex code. Data modeling and calculations with DAX. Understand how to create relationships between tables and build powerful calculations using DAX, data analysis expressions. You'll learn measures, calculated columns, KPIs, time intelligence functions, and how to create accurate business metrics. Interactive dashboard and report design. Master the art of creating professional, interactive dashboards. You'll design charts, tables, slicers, filters, and visuals that allow users to explore data easily and gain insights with just a few clicks. Real-world business intelligence use cases. Work on practical examples like sales analysis, financial reports, customer insights, and performance dashboards. This helps you understand how Power BI is actually used in companies and prepares you for real job roles. Duration: 6 weeks. This 6-week structured program is designed to take freshers from basics to advanced Power BI concepts. Each week focuses on practical learning with hands-on exercises, ensuring you gain real industry-ready skills in a short time. Course fee: 18,000 rupees. An affordable investment for building a strong career in data analytics and business intelligence. The fee includes training, practical sessions, project guidance, and certification support. No hidden charges. What's included in the course? DAX, data analysis expressions. You'll learn how to create advanced calculations, KPIs, measures, and time-based analysis using DAX. This helps you transform raw data into meaningful business insights. Power Query. Master data cleaning and transformation using Power Query. Learn to handle real-world messy data by removing errors, merging tables, and preparing datasets efficiently without complex coding. Dashboard design. Gain expertise in building interactive, visually appealing dashboards. Learn best practices for layout, color usage, filters, slicers, and storytelling with data that impress recruiters and clients. Certification support. If you're interested in enrolling in our Power BI training course, our team is ready to guide you at every step, from course details to career support. Call or WhatsApp support. You can call or WhatsApp us directly for instant assistance regarding course syllabus and duration, fee details and offers, batch timings, career guidance, and enrollment process. Phone numbers: 741-860-2650, 8925-132650. Email support. For detailed queries, official communication, or enrollment confirmation, feel free to email us. Our support team will respond promptly with complete information. Email: contact@yajentiotrainingacademy.com. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell icon for more IT career updates.